Hi, dear viewers. Uh, this time I'm going to present a very good case of Mr. Haji Moinuddin, aged around 72 years, 6-7 years back. Okay. This BioLens laser really helped me a lot, and it's really a good device for so many purposes. So I was talking about Mr. Haji Moinuddin. Alright, he is now not anymore. A few months back he left this world, but around 7 years he utilizes the prosthetic, implant supported prosthetic, and it ate everything at a time. He was so happy. This is the first OPG I have done in 2009, okay, and plan to place 6 implants in lower segment. As the patient was not willing to place the implant in upper segment at that time, so he was willing to place one cantilever bridge, alright, to support the posterior teeth, okay, so that he will be in position to eat everything. So after implant surgery, we have placed the 6 implant in lower segment. After 2.5 months, lower implant was completely, osseointegrated. Then we need to start the prosthetic work at that time. In this case, I have used the Ostium dental implant system, and I was removing the screw, cover screw. You can see 2 cover screws has been already removed and gum former has been placed. So altogether 6 implants, alright, and gum former has been already placed, and we left this all things for 1 week. After 1 week, alright, gum has been already formed, and then we have removed the gum former, and now for the preparation of prosthetic fabrication, now placing the another component of the implant, abutment. Healing was so nice. During the fabrication, we have gone for the coping trial, and coping trial was very fine. Even in the patient mouth, fitting was absolutely awesome. Implant supported bridge fabricated, and it has been placed successfully. Patient was very happy with the overall procedure and successful placement of this fabricated implant supported bridge. Then he was willing to place 2 more implants in upper arch, alright, to support the pre-existing old bridge, alright. Although I don't prefer to support natural tooth with the implant, but patient was insisting and was other problem. So anyhow, I get convinced, and then I placed 2 more implants, okay, in upper arch. Thanks. Finally, fabricated upper bridge also. Mr. Haji Moinuddin ate almost everything 7 years, around 7 years of his life with his implant supported denture bridge, and he was happy. And because of this old man, I thought that in any age, if the bone is healthy, definitely implant is a good option and you can just avail of them. Thank you very much.